Okay friends, to get started on our leaf spring insulators, first we need to know where they are. There's going to be one right here on the front of your leaf spring, and then in the same spot on the rear of the leaf spring. Now at this point, what we need to do is separate the top leaf spring from the secondary leaf spring here. To do that, I'm going to use a pry bar. I'm going to come right in between this area because there's a nice gap, and I'll carefully pry down. Once I get that down a little bit, I'll use a second pry bar and come underneath this area so I have a little bit more to grip onto. Let's go ahead and push in this pry bar so it makes the most amount of gap to remove our insulator. Now with this separated, I can tell that I have the insulator right in here. You want to be very careful not to put anything inside there that might potentially get hurt, such as a finger. I'm going to use a hammer, bonk up against this area here, and try to get the insulator out. Now let's go ahead and continue popping that out, and then remove it. Make sure that you remove any missing pieces. Now it's time to install our brand new leaf spring insulator. When we do this, we want to make sure that we put this little piton into its corresponding hole. Be very careful for anything that might pinch you. We have that lined up with its hole. Let's continue with a hammer and just kind of drive this up. Perfect. The process would be the same for the rear.